What's going on, guys? This is Kevy Kev's Hobbies and Adventures, and today we're opening up a box. Now, what I have here is a 2017, Panini Select Soccer. What we're looking for is checkerboard parallels and clutch inserts. What I really want is, I'm looking for an Mbappe rookie card. Now, I'm a casual I'm a casual soccer fan, so I'm not huge on all the stars. So if I happen to get a big hit and not even realize it, I'd like you guys to put it in the comment section. Still got a lot to learn, but I am looking for an Mbappe rookie card. So here we go, my trusty box opening knife. All right. Euro Cup's happening this year, and a lot of stuff in soccer's happening this year. The Euro Cup. And so I think the popularity of soccer cards, trading cards, are on the rise. So you're obviously going to see the first card because it's in a clear pack. And we have a Javier Hernandez. Let me open this pack first, and then very nice looking cards. Let me get my gloves on. First card, Javier Hernandez. Second card, Antoine Griezmann, France. Now, like I said, if I get a big hit and don't realize it, I'd like you guys to put it in the comment section. David Ospina, Radamel Falcao, Gareth Bale, Joey Ledley, Julian Baumgartlinger, Roberto Firmino, João Moutinho, Aaron Hughes, Marc-Andre ter Stegen, Germany. Okay, hold on. We got a nice looking checker card coming up. I think we have a couple of them coming. All right. Let's see who it is. Antoine Griezmann. He must be a good player. It's the second one in the pack. I got one earlier. Right here. So this must be his base card. And then this is the parallel. Okay. Who's next? David Ospina. Again, second card. So that other card was his base card, and this is his parallel. Take a look again. And Connor Washington. Then we have, what's up next? Luka. Ooh. Luka Modric, Croatia. Very nice looking card. Very nice looking card. And Thiago Silva, Brazil. This is a beautiful card. Not sure if it's valuable or, but it is a nice looking card. I think I'll do this. I'll do a recap video. Check out the value of some of these cards and do a recap video. Then we have Keylor Navas, Costa Rica. Harry Kane. Excuse me. And Antoine Griezmann again. So he must be a popular player. Look at this beautiful card. I have 3 Antoine Griezmann. I'm going to look this up. I'm going to look him up. This is a nice card. Okay. And Yannick Carrasco. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this break. Again, I'm going to educate myself a little bit more on a lot of these players and these cards. I'm getting into other sports. I'm usually more interested in basketball and football, but I'm starting to get into a little bit more into baseball and into soccer. So it'll take me a little bit of time to really get to know who's who and what's what. But like I said, if I hit a big card and I didn't realize it, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. If you haven't done so already, like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And I'll see you all later.